You've got a great app idea, but no clue how to build it? Don't worry, you don't need to be a developer anymore. With AI-powered tools, you can turn your idea into a working app without writing a single line of code. Just describe what you want and let AI build the basics. In just one weekend, you'll go from concept to clickable prototype. AI handles the heavy lifting: layout, logic, design, all simplified. This isn't a toy builder. You use real AI platforms that startups and creators actually use, the same tools behind real products. Turn your app dream into a real MVP this weekend. Join AI-Versiti's AI-powered app development course too. Learn step-by-step with no tech background. Use real AI tools with pro guidance. Launch your first app in days, not months. Start now and see what you can build.